Hello everybody, and I have two unboxings to do, so I'll do one for each unboxing. So last weekend on MoPatty's EDC, I won her giveaway, and we're going to see what it is. I know what it is, but let's check it out. MoPatty stickers. That's who I won it from. If you're not subscribed to MoPattyEDC, Trish, I will link her channel. Nice stickers, MoPatty. Very nice. And we have more stickers. Cool. Wow. All good channels, and thank you so much for all the stickers. Oh my gosh, that's wonderful. I gotta get a sticker board going. Pickled Steel, love their knives. Jimmy Crow, oh yeah. Lefty. Oh yeah, Kelly. Paracord. Be sure to check her out in her channel. More Jimmy Crow stickers. Band-Aids. A must. And what do we have here? Sorry for the black marker on my fingers, but I don't dox anybody. So, oh, that is a cool bracelet. Awesome. I love it. Cool. And we'll open this in a minute. Paracord. Love the paracord. Bead. All right, let's open this up. Maybe I don't need a knife, but this is what I won. Nice little bag. And Jimmy Crow customized this knife. Let me zoom in on it. It's a rose craft. Oh, is that sweet? Very nice. I love the blue. Jimmy Crow does some really awesome mods on knives. This is sweet. Thank you to Jimmy Crow for donating the knife to Trish, I should say Trish, MoPattyEDC, and I love it. Very nice. Cool knife. Thank you, Trish. I appreciate winning one of your giveaways, and thank you to Jimmy Crow for donating to her giveaway. That is really cool. All right, thanks for watching, everyone, and I'm going to link the channels in the comments, so be sure to go check out Trish's channel, MoPattyEDC. Later, everyone. Awesome knife community.